shoulders, elbows out. And now you're gonna come this way towards the sloth. Okay? Make sure not to like pet, press or squeeze a little tail right here.
So cute.
Just let the tail hang down there, okay?
How adorable is that?
Oh, you're adorable.
Oh, he's so sweet. Oh, I want one.
You want one?
That's so cute.
Oh.
So the tail right here, just let it hang and lower the arms a little bit so we can lower her because she's pretty active actually, guys.
Oh.
Make sure not to pet her. This is Olivia Benson from Law and Order. Yes.
Oh, she's sweet.
Look at that head, you guys. They can rotate their head 270 degrees, just like an owl.
Oh, wow.
So they have 3 action vertebrae in the neck, which allows them to twist their head that far. They're mostly hanging up in the trees like this, so their head is facing the ground. So that's why she's looking around. They can't see that well, but they can hear pretty good. Would you like to move it back?
Yes.
All right, just remove the back for me.
Is the hat okay?
Mm-hmm. Just stand over here, okay? Just like this. And allow the fingers and let her sit right here. So just release her completely. Just step back. Come this way towards the sloth.
She's just like so chill.
It's like they're medicated, you know?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, they sleep 16 to 20 hours a day and they go to the bathroom once a week.
Once a
That's
week.
a week.
And that's the time.
Yeah.
Fridays, yeah. Gotta empty out the system for the weekend.
Hey, Olivia. There's Benson.
Oh,
Because it's
so cute.
That moves so slow. Where are all those people? Invading your sanctuary.
Oh, sure.
How old is she?
She's around 6 to 7 years old. Yeah.
Is their vision good? Not really.
Yeah.
So they just see shapes.
Right, that's why she's looking around right now. She doesn't recognize any familiar shape. So, Mama, just release
So
it
how did you
completely.
get the sloth?
And step back. Come this way towards the sloth. So the sloths, you guys, these were rescues. These were brought over from the mainland of the country by people
Nice.
that sold them to people that want them as pets, but that is illegal.
Hi. How are you?
Oh, don't pet them when you get outside. Yeah. So they were brought
Are
over.
they indigenous to Honduras?
Yes, sir.
Because they're the national animal.
Hi.
Everywhere you go in country.
You just give like no fucks whatsoever, do you?
I did, for real, I didn't know. Yeah, I know down here they have a lot of sloths. Yeah, a lot of people go to Costa Rica to check them out and see them, but they rarely see them because the sloth is so high in the trees. Yeah.
All the coasters are
Sloth. And our national bird is the Scarlet
Oh, my
Macaws,
sister-in-law is
so
gonna be
that's,
so jealous. She
that's
loves
what
sloth.
you see here, like all over the country too. So that would be
You want
our
it, Tamara?
sloth as well. That's our
Yeah.
national
Okay.
bird, but our national animal is the white-tailed bird.
Hi.
So who wants to hold it next? You ready? Right over here for me. Just like this. Bunnies.
You want to hold one, Peter?
Oh, I want to hold the sloth.
So you just
Me turn, me
release.
go.
So dig in a little bit and step back. Come this way. Just let it sit right there. Oh, watch out with her. I wouldn't let her grab it. She'll pull your hand and put
Here in a bun.
Super cute.
She'll probably have food before you know it.
Yeah, her and Ronnie, they like to pull it by the hair and bite the wrist a little bit.
It's the first time I've ever held a sloth.
Yeah. These are the more wild ones.
He's like, where are my trees at?
She likes to rile him up. Yeah. She is. She's the youngest one of the adults. She had a baby last year and she didn't know what to do. Like, she didn't take it like
Bitten me by my foot.
No, so they had to
bitten.
raise it inside.
My foot. I got a
Yeah,
mosquito bite on my
it's
He's
hand.
pretty
well,
sweet. His
that's
name is
mozzies.
Magnus. He's all over the cave over there, playing around. So who's
Those are
next, you
loud.
guys? Who wants to hold Olivia? You ready?
Oh yeah. Do you mind, Brian?
Goes back
Good.
one.
Would you mind holding? Okay.
Well, his hands are
Oh,
kind of
yeah,
full
it's
already.
gonna.
Kim's got it.
There you go. My hands are full.
You
Sorry.
good?
Priorities.
Uh-huh. Well, once my can is empty anyway.
All right.
So Adam's the one who should hope today is not the day.
Yeah.
In that fancy suit.
Right.
Right.
Cosmic blast.
Come this way. Just let it sit.
Aw.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, how adorable is that?
It's pretty adorable.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, that is real nice contract scratch with your suit.
Hello. Hello.
Happy lady, happy lady.
Mm-hmm. Hello. Oh, that's so cute.
I think they're play fighting.
Yeah. Your siblings, they do that all day, every day. Who's gonna, are you gonna hold it up? You gonna hold it sloth? You ready?
All right. Which is 10.
So you just stand right over here, bud. Facing this way. Alright, so you just release it. Step back, come this way towards the sloth, okay? There you go.
It's adorable.
You guys get some
Same
diet?
smile.
every day.
Good.
It's the same
You're
smile.
done now.
Oh yeah, so you go back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Same smile.
You gonna hold one?
Of course.
You can't take it home.
Not this one.
What part of Texas you guys from?
Houston.
Houston, Texas, H-Town. Oh, they just won the World Series, yeah?
Yeah.
Sure did.
Sure did.
There's a Honduran that's on the team.
Yep.
Basketball.
Mauricio Dubon.
What's his name?
I think it's Mauricio Dubon.
Dubon. Someone told me Vasquez. I don't remember.
Vasquez.
He's a kid. He's from San Pedro Sula on the mainland. So you ready, bud?
Yeah.
Alright, over here for me. Loco estaba tratando de... Alright, let's release it. Step back, come this way. Está tratando de rebanar ya. Como él pasa en su velorio, en su tour de velorio.
Aw.
Soft, cool as beer. Cool as beer.
You won't do it.
What is her name again?
Olivia.
Olivia the
I
Sloth
wouldn't do that.
Olivia Benson.
Benson.
Yes.
Give her a kiss.
It's adorable. Aw.
You don't hold her butt?
But you smell like Imperial.
The glasses? Yeah. And then you stand over there. Right over here. So you just release it. You gonna take a picture for me?
Hey, buddy.
And come this way. There you go. They swim. They're a little faster in the water than they are on land.
Oh, I didn't know they swam.
They have a good buoyancy, so they float and they do their own little sloth battle. And if necessary, they can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes in the water.
Wow.
Yeah, right. I said the same thing. They show their heart rate.
Wow.
Yeah.
You
Their
should
heart
make
rate
this
is
your new
normal. It's
profile
like 80.
picture.
Gotta look that way. And what's there? Who are those people? What are they doing? What is that?
Are you
That's a
gonna hold it?
camera.
The mushroom? You ready?
What's up?
There we go.
What's up there?
Just like this. There you go. Step back.
Don't block your shot.
There's a backpack right here.
Are you gonna go this way, sir? You good?
Aw.
So you see like the posters and everything, yeah? It's ubiquitous, the sloth in Costa Rica. Yeah, that's the same thing for our
Okay, I got like
macaw.
5 pictures.
Everywhere you go, so you're gonna see some reference to the macaw. Yes, sir.
You taking video or something?
Yeah, I'm videoing the whole thing. Every little bit.
Yeah, he's a reporter. Scuba diving too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Records the entire dive.
All of it.
How long is it?
He also records me doing this.
Yeah.
What's an hour? Like
Yep.
Every dive.
What is it?
No,
Mhm.
I saw lionfish. I was like doing this until somebody saw it, and he came and video.
I did. I
He
got
probably
it.
got the whole thing on video with me standing there like this.
You
I
gotta
do.
watch out for
Probably
'em.
did.
I have
Yeah,
that.
they're venomous.
I know. I was watching it.
Yeah, we
That
have
was just 20
lionfish.
They're tasty, yeah?
They're
Wow.
pretty good.
It's been a while since I've had it. They taste really good.
You're
We went
adorable.
to Ginger's last night.
So's the sloth.
Dinosaurs, wings.
Wings. Fried up. Lionfish. There wasn't a whole lot of meat there.
Sauce?
Yeah, there was like
I gotta go.
yeah, I think it's a special thing.
Okay.
But the whole, I mean, we're still there. Some of us not. Not lionfish, because you know.
Yeah, they are invasive.
So obviously we have to eat meat. Okay.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot of meat, you know.
Right.
They
right.
serve them.
Pete, you having a go? No, right?
He's good.
He's good. Which case?
Who hasn't held it yet, guys?
Lionfish wings.
I think everyone's had a go.
You can get them over at
Sloth,
Ginger's.
did you want to hold the sloth?
That's
All right.
Butch, you want to hold the sloth?
He did.
Oh yeah, so that's right. Okay, well, I just
that wasn't a lot.
Yep.
Some, well, you know, some are smarter than us.
Right.
Mr. Scotland, you good? You don't want to hold it? Everyone else has held a sloth? All right, guys. Now we're gonna go inside with the monkey, okay?
Oh,
The monkeys. So, guys, I'm gonna get you ready for that. Hey, go right off. Wow, look at that. You can lift your head. You can lift your head. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Keep it coming, everyone. All the way inside.
Hey, little guy.
Okay. Monkey tails right now.
Hey.
Watch out behind you. Thank you. There you go.
Hey. Hello.
Is she just sitting on top of your head?
Yep. Pretty much. He's checking out the pockets.
Thinking about
Checking about the pockets.
Yeah, she's the meanest one in here. She's the baby. Hi, Nico.
Mischievous little buggers, aren't
Yeah,
they?
they are. They might go down the shirt. Sorry, they might. Might cop a feel.
You are saying? Hi.
Might get violated by these monkeys. Wing wing.
Jennifer got 2 of them over there.
What's up, homie? Okay.
That's Polly D right there. Go ahead, Imo.
My buddy wants one.
Gonna have to go to a salon after this.
Yeah, they are mediocre hairstylists at best, you guys.
They like you, Marcy.
Because I'm water monkey.
Super
That's why.
cute.
Let's hear it now.
You can come up.
Look up, look this way.
Holy crap.
So guys, these are white-faced capuchin monkeys. They live 40 years in captivity, and you can train them to be as smart as a 3 or 4-year-old. So it's like having a 4-year-old with ADHD for 40 years.
Yeah.
What did I do?
That's more fun than having
Some of the guests say it's like their husband.
I think this was just peed on me. Right here.
Oh, lucky you.
That's not good. Oh, lovely.
The worst
One got scared. He heard that screech.
the worst you can expect is getting pooped or peed on.
Wow. It actually used my boots.
Jumped in the
Yeah, my boots to her boots.
They can jump
It's
up
like
to
being a
9.
human jungle gym.
Yep.
Are you doing anything over there, Peter?
No, I'm not getting anything. I've never tried to shoot movie with this, so I really don't know what I'm doing.
drop on me. You can drop your shell on me.
Marcel.
My hair's wet.
I have my phone.
Oh, there's poop on your head.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll wipe it off when we're done.
It's a monkey raindrop.
Yeah, there's poop on your head.
There you go. There's your board name.
No.
Here, I don't need this. Monkey poop.
Got pictures of everybody.
Okay, hold it.
Monkey poop.
I think I
Get a
got
photo for you?
Oh, sure. We'll ask him. But
Just don't grab her.
I'll hold on to this and see if we can get him to come to you. Oh my gosh. Here, go to him. Maybe it's your fur thread.
Don't grab her. This one.
Sorry.
Sometimes. She's mean. She's mean. Like we have 2 babies over there that are nice. These 2 babies in here are a little douches. And a sweet little one over there. This is Marcel from France.
So quick. They are quick.
I'm surprised he hasn't started beating his bald head yet.
That'd be awesome.
I'm just a stepping stone. That's all I am to you.
Oh.
Hey!
What should do?
I'm not a chew-toy young man. Lady, whichever.
Grab her by the ears.
On my neck.
All right, guys. Everyone got some interaction. Everyone got some photos.
It's on doing.
Perfect. Perfect. So now we're gonna go check out the spider monkeys and interact with the monkeys. We'll just start that after that.
Aw. How adorable.
Just don't stand underneath them, guys. Do not look up with your mouth open.
That's adorable.
So yellow named Amazon, you guys. These are native. It's kind of a staple here on Roatán. Almost every local family has had or has one as a pet throughout the decades, and they live a pretty long time. So they live 80 to 100 years in captivity.
Wow.
And they mate for life. So the more yellow on this one's mate, the older they are. So that's like they're gray here.
Oh,
There you go. There you go, bud. In this case, we have Pterodactyl, Lomaro, Uncle Bob, Uncle Jimmy. There's Humphrey Bogart and Audrey Hepburn as well.
Humphrey Bogart.
See over here. These two are partners.
Oh.
Where are the babies? Where are the babies?
This one close to all of these two. They will fight. There you go, bud.
Oh, yeah. Hello.
Unfortunately, guys, they're pretty
Hello.
to teach them. You have to teach them words coming up, and they can learn over 250 different words and sounds.
Oh.
But it's too late to teach them? Is that what you meant?
Mm-hmm.
Mine would be swearing and saying fun stuff.
The macaws, they say hola, hello, ouch, pretty bird,
What's this one's name?
and steelers, pterodactyl.
This one's pterodactyl.
Steelers, yes, sir, pterodactyl.
How old is she?
She's over 20 years old. Who hasn't had one yet, guys?
Did you get one, Laura? Oh, I know.
They went up fighting.
Laura hasn't had the privilege.
There you go.
You, buddy. Can I get a picture of you?
Oh.
Hey, they're basically all you.
Ooh.
Double parent too.
Oh, yeah.
Aw.
Aw.
Oh. Well, now what has
Your
it
hair
officially
hard.
been red?
You got it.
There you go. Oh, it's breaking his neck.
Oh, she'll be fine.
Oh yeah, she's resilient.
She's been scuba diving like a lot of times.
For real? All the way down there?
She's our club mascot.
Wow. There you
One
go.
out of a claw machine years ago.
Have you had the birds yet? These ones?
Yeah, I have one ready to go. When we first walked in.
Did you get some pictures with it?
Of myself? No, everybody else.
Yes.
Though. Hi.
Little scalp massage. So these are practice for the big ones, okay, guys? We're gonna go and you have to hold them across over there.
I got all the birds. Hey. Oh, that's my scalp.
So, cool.
All right, now the big ones, you guys. The national bird of the country. Watch out, Mama.
Ear.
Not his ear.
The ear's not big to have time.
He's permanently scarred. So just don't reach out for them, guys. Don't try to pick them up on your own because their beaks are pretty strong. It wouldn't be any little incident.
What's up, buddy?
Big hit.
I got bitten by Cozumel one time.
This one up here, she only flies on the head. Her name is Rose. We have Jack and Rose from Titanic, Fiona from Shrek, Skittles, Fruit Loops, Ross, Rachel, and Johnny Depp. Come on, Rose. They live over 100 years.
Pretty.
Who wants to go first? Put your hand like this for me. You can turn around so they can get a photo for you.
Yeah, let me see this.
Stay here with me, buddy.
Parrot action. No, sorry, but cool. Let's do it.
Aw, yeah, buddy.
Aw.
Is that good? Good stuff. Bird pizza.
Rose.
Adios.
Yes, would you mind? Hello. Aww. Hello. Hello. Pleased to meet you, Owl.
Meet you, Owl.
Oh, and what's his name?
Jack.
About how old is he?
16 or 17.
Okay. Oh,
Oh, double dose.
look at that. Doubling up. Ow. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Wunderbar.
So here, guys, it's
You
it's
can hand it here for you, sir. I'll take a picture.
all-inclusive, mediocre spa. You got a back scratching sloth. You get a halfway hairdo from the monkeys, and you got an acupuncture scalp massage from the macaws. There you go, bud.
Aw.
buddy.
What's your arm? Go.
Okay,
Go. Come over
Thanks.
here. Go ahead. When you want her off, you let me know, okay?
Anybody else? I'm glad I wore my hat.
Tolerate the pain. Smile through the pain. Smile through the pain. Who's next, you guys? Who's next?
Marcy.
Marcy? Okay, Miss Marcy, that's your arm.
Yeah, okay.
There you go.
You have one on you, Adam?
He had 2 on him.
Yeah, I've had to go.
I'm not taking pictures.
Wow, look at that.
Huh? Odd.
The trifecta.
Okay. Rose is on my head.
Oh, watch out for that one. She'll bite. Yeah, she's a little moody. She's hormonal right now.
I can relate.
So, guys, everyone got a chance, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Come here. Let me take this one off first before it tries anything funny. Go ahead.
My arm is not food.